Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. This is a 3-part crochet tutorial on how to make this beautiful plaid scarf. In the first video I showed you how to make the base for the scarf. On the second part I showed you how to make the horizontal lines and create this plaid pattern. And now on the last and third part, I'll show you how to make the fringes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below this video so you won't miss out on any of my tutorials. This is the version in brown, black and red, which is slightly wider than I've made before. But now we will be working on the blue, white and hot pink version that we've been working on since the beginning, and we will use the same colors for the fringes on the same pattern. As you see, you will need a book or a piece of cardboard or anything like that, depending how big you want your fringes to be. It's better to have them longer and then you can trim them to the length you want. You will need scissors and the crochet hook you've been working with, which is in this case a 4.5mm crochet hook, and we'll be using all the colors that we used in this project, which is blue, white and hot pink. So let's start with white. Pick up the book or the piece of cardboard, whatever you like, whatever it's easier for you, and just roll the yarn around it. I never counted how many fringes I need. I just make a few and then I put them on and then I make a few more if I need to. So let's make a few and then cut them at what end in the yarn, and these will be your fringes. So I've used 2 strands at once for each fringe, and what I did is thread them through the stitches at the base, and I've used the same patterns as the lines. So where we have 3 lines of white, we will have fringes in white. Where you have hot pink, you'll have 1 hot pink fringe, and in the between we will put the blue fringes. So what I do is make the white fringes first, just below the white lines. Make sure you work on the right side of your work. So just insert your hook through and pull the fringes. Make sure they are quite even, although it doesn't really matter because you'll be trimming them anyway, but it's just easier. And then just pull all the fringes through. And these are the fringes done. So let's make another one. So I use 2 strands. Just make sure they are even. So hold on the ends on each side. And then insert your hook under the stitch, right under the vertical rows. So I'll pick this one here and pull the yarn through, and then yarn over and pull all the ends through. Then just tighten it up. And this is how you make the fringes. I'll go ahead and finish this, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. So I've completed the fringes. This is how they look like. You can see there's a continuation of each color into the fringes. You can choose to leave them as long as you like. You can trim them short or leave them like mine. And this is it. You can find the complete tutorial on my blog, Crafting Happiness. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more free tutorials like this one. Happy crocheting!